Very good afternoon to all. Associate and join with us. Respected Professor Vyasji, Dr. Dodia, the vibrant team of Department of Commerce and Management, the student community, and the students and those who are the lovers of this Adept Talk, not only from Junagadh or Bhakta Kavi Narsimha Mehta University, but the entire Gujarat and the state and even country. That I came across that there are several people, those who have been waiting for this talk to happen. And I really feel happy and congratulate Dr. Dodia and the team, even though it's a newly constructed department under the able, stable and capable leadership of Dr. Dodia, Vinit Verma, Anitaba Gohil and Dr. Chawda. They are doing tremendous ground level, root level work for the students of the rural area. Students, those who are in fact away part of the epicenter, but even though with the help of this technology, with the help of this virtual mode, they never feel that they are away from the centers. This Adept Talk is one of the best medium to get the knowledge at home, to invite the knowledge at home. And I know Professor Vyas. He's a learned person in the field of commerce and management. Apart from that, he's a very good, gentle human being. And when you are here to talk about one of the very prestigious issue of country and nation, and what we may, it is not an exaggeration to tell, but budget is always a debatable and controversial identity and elements. So today, you all have decided to talk about highlights of Union Budget 2021-22. So I am sure that this year we all are passing from post-COVID scenario. This post-COVID is always looking after the new normal and health and hygienity. In that circumstances, I wish all of you to have a safe and be healthy. And I hope this talk is going to be a wonderful instrumental talk to open up so many new vistas to the new learners of commerce and management. This is not going to be useful only for the students of commerce, but those who are interested in management, those who are interested in some other multidisciplinary approaches of knowledge. It is also going to helpful to them. Once again, I supposed to be there in some other meeting, but I am sure at night before I sleep, I will. And what we say, the magic of these online programs. If I am not here with you, but at night I can definitely go back to Facebook page. I will see it to that how you are talking, what you are talking, and I'll update myself with the talk which you people are supposed to talk and deliver. Once again, I appreciate Professor Dodia and the team. I'm thankful to Professor Vyas to come to this, even though we are not small university, we are only new university. We are having more than 172 colleges, more than 1 lakh students, and we have more than 58 PG departments. So this university, even though the life of 4.5, but growing like a GDP's style, and it has a tremendous strength. Strength is a manpower strength. Strength is a teamwork strength. Strength is a collective effort strength, and strength is the youth icon strength. So with that aspect, and with this positive note, I end myself here and wish you all the best for this Adept Talk. Thank you very much.